What does it do? Android Auto brings apps to your phone screen or car display so you can focus while you drive. You can control features like navigation, maps, calls, text messages, and music. 1. Simply connect your phone to your vehicle display, and your Android apps will appear on screen. To acquire driving instructions, tap the screen, or voice to send a text message. You can even make a hands-free call to your mother. Android Auto is designed to keep your attention on the road. Simply plug it in and go. Over 500 models supported, even more coming soon. With Google Assistant on Android Auto, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Use your voice to get help with your day. You can find routes, play your favorite songs, and even check the weather. Just say, "Hey Google," to get started. Get real-time alerts with Google Maps, Waze, and more of your favorite mapping apps. Even ask Google Assistant to find gas along the way, check EV charging availability, or book a parking reservation for when you arrive. You can see it all on your car's dashboard display, helping you know more about what's nearby. Just say where to, and then go. Google Assistant can read your messages out loud, and you can write back by talking. From making calls to using chat apps with just your voice, Android Auto makes driving less distracting. Take your media on the road, and control it all with your voice. Pause your road trip playlist and pick up where you left off. Just talk to start a new audiobook. Or blast that one song for the 100th time.